CLP leader Okram Ibobi lambasted Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane for recently claiming that many MLAs of various political parties have approached to join the BJP. Mahut Minister Thaunawjam Shyamkumar urges everyone to keep both mind and environment clean. And Manipur joins the world in observing International Day for Older Persons 2019, stressing the need to ensure welfare of senior citizens. A very good afternoon to you all. I'm Kanal Sambandaram presenting you the afternoon news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of the day. CLP leader Okram Ibobi has lambasted Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane for recently claiming that many MLAs of various political parties have approached to join the BJP. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan, BT Road today, former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi alleged that BJP has taken in many MLAs from other political parties by manipulating the Indian constitutions since its reign. He further criticized that MLAs of the BJP-led government are striving among themselves for leadership posts by ignoring various public welfare activities. Ibobi mocked that Chief Minister Birane met the claim when BJP MLAs are ploying to replace him by urging their central leaders. He asserted that none of the 20 Congress MLAs is joining any other political party. The CLP leader stated that the Congress party is striving to increase its seat to 45 in the 2022 general election. Congress MLAs and leaders of MPCCs took part in the press meet.
Governor sina amu invite tawine si constitution se protect tawge na laiba sina Congress tang ngarang da election haido ka gi du Minister Waina Wasak Pada Baton Tony si lawyer but si kaya yam na taxi name from no ying bio. Adon sikum maina tauba sason si koi karim ta koi kala ubusu laite praja singi phajana leipak seba taubiu Manipur praja sing nungai han bio Congress manung da lairiba koi khara haiba tare laijari ba si koi upsel lingjen manana yam solidly unitedly matam matam gi issue la kuda as a responsible opposition among issues in
Mahut Minister Thaunawjam Shyamkumar has urged everyone to keep both mind and environment clean. Speaking on the sideline of the cleanliness drive organized jointly by the Mahut Department, IMC, KEDO, Fire Services and women vendors at Koiramban Market today ahead of Gandhi Jayanti, Minister Shyamkumar urged people to stop using environmental pollutant plastic products.
Father of Nation Matamang Gandhina, Habina Pokta, Makasa Taboina, Nasidi, Tungi Mionsingna, Makasa Tamoy saying na, Lepanga, Amadi Tamoy saying na, Miang Sebata, Tamoy saying na, environment Lunan Tambada, Daitangi Hadana, Magapun Mishda, Haying Gandhi Jayanti, Hanakanabasigi, Mangwena, Impalgi, Muruiba, City, Amadi Manipuki Tongan, Tonganba, Kungangi, Townsing, Amadi, Town Masasing, Kungangi Village Miam, Lunan Basi, Akwishangtoy, Masima, Matamang Gandhina, Takpiramba, Mangi Pamza Tabu, Masigi Mirona, Matung in Mani, Satpani.
Manipur joined the world in celebrating International Day for Older Persons 2019 at the campus of Directorate of Health Services in Lumfield today. World Heart Day was also observed as a part of the state-level celebration. Directorate of Health Services State NCD CELD, National Health Mission Manipur, District NCD CELD Infal West and Infal East, along with Manipur Heart Foundation organized the event. Speaking to media, Director of Health Services Dr. K. Rajo said that the incident of non-communicable diseases like cancer, heart disease, stroke, diabetes are increasing day by day. Dr. K. Rajo stated that heart disease is one of the most common non-communicable diseases. He maintained that the event aims to raise awareness on how to ward off such diseases and care for senior citizens. Laughter therapy, music exercise and yoga postures were demonstrated, and a screening camp to detect heart-related ailments were conducted at the event.
The Pitribida Hojiki #1 killer or is a cardiovascular disease, heart key disease in Okalaba. Masi Aquena di Kangdana, Nayabiki symptoms latena, heart see anytime at an RBI, anytime attack or BI, Wangang is so heart attack or the CBI. Aduna, heart key importance, Adimati Yakwagi Haksang the important or Masina, Yakwena Carmaiton prevent of the Habise, Parzamiam, the Quening City awareness Pivaneva. Masiga Luena Luena, Yakwagi elderly Alu, but sing Shibukai Kai Komnoena, Alu Ragati Nabi Abzi, muscle Sondrakani, depression Lakani, diabetes Lakani. Blood pressure wakani adigi ma joint ki anabo lakani ising chapadu ngai roi and koi district su geriatric care na khosan sing da bet sing hangdoktana koi alur ba sing sibu care tongna binamta ya koi hangdoktana sem sadan lejare.
Senior Citizens Forum Infal East Wangkai Kaithela Sangvi also observed International Day for Older Persons 2019 at Brahmapur Nahavam Dharmalaya Hall today. Speaking at the event, Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan called upon people to take the responsibility to provide well-being and happiness to senior citizens. He also urged people to maintain the age-old traditions of respecting elder persons. Loading the BJP-led government, R.K. Ranjan expressed happiness that many people have benefited from Chief Minister Gi Hakselgi Tengbang and Ayushman Bharat PMGAY schemes in Manipur. He maintained that the government has even formed a policy to take legal actions against those government employees who neglect aged persons. R.K. Ranjan assured that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is undertaking various welfare schemes for the country, including Manipur.
Samajda lediba miyoi khudimakse khwaidagi poorest of the poor do adu phawbada aikogi family ni aikogi imung manung ni aikogi member of the family ni lawraga masi chap manaba equal treatment equal respect asi phangminaba haibasuna aikogi pandam ni haidu pandam aduda Based organi handak Ayushman Bharat amadi well and fitness of the nation asina singba mayam social welfare scheme mayam all age the pencil amadi even tongan ba koigi workshop life ta leiba singdo makoi da su masigi facility is extend tongdana lai.
Old India Payami Insaniyat Forum AIPIF Manipur State Unit distributed food items to patients of different wards, doctors and staff of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Hospital today. Janin's Medical Superintendent Dr. N. Jitendra and social worker Arivand Riasuddin took part in the event, which aims to spread peace and unity among communities residing in the state. Speaking to media, spokesperson of AIPIF, Muhammad Afzal Ali Nadwi, said that the forum will further organize blood donation camps, social service drives, and many other welfare activities. Dr. N. Jitendra appreciated AIPIF for their initiatives. He also appealed to other organizations in the state to extend health to destitute people.
Ako ngasi asa tak asikak tanatan blood donation camp sa koy tawjarakani medical camp free haibdi yam laitala raba mafam khungang thungbangam daba mafam do koy chalaga su hari medical camp free sisu lagai rakani social service atopa thabuk kamuk su tawrakani maduda manipur lairiba praja khuding mangna zat bizat khaidana amadi dharma khaidana masida sajok pibi haidana all india payam insan forum gi maikaidagi hai ningsingjari
ngasi AIPIF ki अखोगी मुस्लिम इसिन नाव सिंगना जेनिम्स हॉस्पिटल दा लायेंग लिबा अनाबसिंग असी थुना फबो ओइरसनु हाइदना ईश्वर दा दुआ तौरगा ngamjaba uhai wahi khara अनाबसिंग असी दैसिदा येंथोकपा लाकपिबसे जेनिम्स की माइकैदगी अहाकना एमएस अमोइना नुंगाइबा फोंदोकचरी.
Unknown miscreant exploded a bomb at the physiotherapy center in Kongnang Mari Phangba College Road in Kakching district last night. Impact News sources say that the explosion occurred at around 12:40 a.m. The physiotherapy center, run by Wand Naurem Nandarani and other Laishram Depeshwar Jit, belonged to one 60-year-old Pukrambam Angobi, wife of late Joy from the same area. Manipur police team led by Kakching SP Victoria Yengkomd inspected the site this morning and registered a case against the incident. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on awareness program on the voluntary blood donation organized by District Health Society in Fal East. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You are watching Afternoon News. District Health Society in Fal East held an awareness program on voluntary blood donation today on the occasion of National Voluntary Blood Donation Day 2019. An awareness rally flagged off from Modern College Gate in Porampot till the Panchayat Bhavan in Fal East District Complex on the occasion. Speaking on the sideline, Janim's blood bank officer in charge, Dr. Konsam Surjit, stated that the event aims to raise awareness on the benefits of blood donation.
Handaki National Voluntary Blood Donor Day gi Donation Day gi slogan amadi theme animakshi pullagadi at least donate once in a lifetime habani akoi mipung khudimak piba yaba chahi piba yaba haksangi condition leiriba akoi khudimak se amumuktang di akoi gi lifetime da I piramsi haiba pandam sidani slogan sidani akoi nangasigi thoramsi pangthoi se masigi nungyoiba akoi gi wakalon di hanana I piraga leibiriba donor singsu adum continue tobiyu aduga masa fit oiba piba yaba amukta di pidriba singsu ahan bagi oina piba hobiyu haiba idea sidani akoina sinjabas.
43rd Assam Rifles More Battalion has organized a free medical camp at Adulam Rehabilitation Center in More. A medical team led by doctors of 43rd Assam Rifles, Colonels Sandhya Rani, check up and provide free medicines to around 77 drug addicts of the rehab center located at Guitevang, More, Ward number 9. National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, NILET, in Fal held its 31st Foundation Day celebration cum Freshers Meet 2019 at NILET Auditorium in Akampat today. Director of Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati, Professor Dr. T.G. Sitaram, Director of Science and Technology, Government of Manipur, E. Ibocha, and Executive Director of NILET in Fal, T.S. Prameshwar, graced the event. Speaking on the occasion, T.S. Prameshwar stressed the need for one to be skillful above earning degree certificates to be successful in life.
IT gi intervention kai to bai avani not only education na kanataba irrigation do bai agriculture do bai horticulture do bai any what not IT as an enabler when the society gi progress to IT as an enabler when hajari ko aduna IT gi satra sing da koina hajari si na koi be practical aduga be a solution provider problem dang hak da yengi da ne koina failures solution there are various ways and means to give a easy solution to a problem, but if you look at the problem it will multiply the problem. Aduna ngang sing da koina taksari si solution provider or you be a solution provider or you hajabas.
Devotees took out a religious rally at various sacred shrines of Dwarka on the third day of the death anniversary observance of Rajyasri Bhagya Chandra today. People paid floral tribute to the portrait of Rajyasri Bhagya Chandra and performed Natta Sankirtan on the occasion. They also offered turpent offerings at Gomti Ghat in Dwarka. Rajyasri Bhagya Chandra Cultural Foundation begins the 5-day observance at Dwarka in Gujarat since 27th of September. Titular King Laisemba Sanajauba led by religious rally which kicked off from the Swami Narayan Mandir in Dwarka towards the Gomti Ghat. They later marched towards Dwarkanath Mandir singing religious hymns and returned to Swami Narayana Mandir.
Rajasri Bhagasandra Saniga Kunga Mathorak Shuba Mana Laikidabagi Adumba Puina Titi Numit Ado Ngasi Sini Habi Meragi Humni Panba Aduna Masiki Tauromasina Mapunga and Ikoi Mapamasida Dwarikasida Masiki Damakta Koche Tauromasima Punga and Pangtupa Lakjabani Si Manipur Lengbira Iba Tunganba New Shingmaya Mama Yaroga Rajasri Damatangasi Aroiba Haiba Gomati Dwarkasida Ikona Tarpon Kasari Adu Rajasri Atmana Su Tawai Miriana Su Ikona Hona Jariba Singsa PNB Dana Nunga Yaipaba Tangdu Laitaba Aduma Iripa Iram the Mama Pinaba Oishunu when Masidagi Tokraga Mukshu Narang Ikona Jangaruba Dwarka Natki Adumba Equigi Sing Laba Sri Krishna Geduma Lai Sangaduda Rajasri Ayekpa Hotuasi Yauna Adugamagi Tawai Mireldo Atmadu Yawe and Kanjaraga Ekoi Parikama Saraga Tarpon Kapi Tholomasi Ekoi Lusan Jagadoribani
Dharma Premi Samiti Manipur Pangantabi Makhaleka in a press release has sent Durga Puja greetings to people of the state, especially to Hindu community. Now let's take a look at the news from the world of sports. Anurani has become the first Indians to qualify for women's javelin throw final at World Athletics Championship in Doha. She smashed her own national record during the qualification round of the championship with a best attempt of 62.43 meters. Anurani finished fifth in the qualifying round, a place above the current world record holders Borbora Spotakova. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. CLP leader Okram Ibobi lambasted Chief Minister Nongtom Mambrane for recently claiming that many MLAs of various political parties have approached to join the BJP. Mahud Minister Thaunazum Shyam Kumar urges everyone to keep both mind and environment clean. And Manipur joins the world in observing International Day for Older Persons 2019, stressing the need to ensure welfare of senior citizens.